Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be working on custom splash screen for our application. So we are going to continue from where we stopped the last time. Let me take you through what we'll be working on and what we are going to have at the end of this video. Okay, so this is what we'll be working on in this video. First thing I'm going to do is to install all the packages I'll be using in this tutorial. Okay, then in my layout, I'm going to import the Expo splash screen that we just imported. Then also here, I'm going to ensure that our splash screen loads first before our assets finish loading. Here also, I'm going to create a state to track when all our assets are loaded. So here too, I'm going to create an effect hook to handle asset loading. So here we are going to load our assets. I will be using fonts, so I will be loading our font from here. So here our app has finished loading, and we are going to set this to true. And also we are going to hide our assets, meaning we are going to hide our splash screen. Okay, so we are going to set this to false. So we write an if statement here. So this is going to return null. We are going to show nothing when our splash screen will be visible. So here now we are going to render our navigation start. let's create our launch screen file. So guys, I think I made a mistake earlier. I wanted to install this package, but I ended up installing the animated. So let us install animatable. So now in our launch screen, we're going to, I've already prepared the code for our animations. So we're going to have something like this. So this is the background that we display. So this is the background. And also we are going to have this this logo. So this logo will be centered, while this image will be the this one will be the background image. Yeah. So now let me create the welcome screen. I haven't created that. Okay. Then in our layout, we are going to create a navigation stack. Change this to welcome. I think there is an issue here. I'm not calling this structure anywhere. So I will call the function here, the function, and also we ensure that it runs once. So let us check our welcome screen again. Okay, this should be capitalized. Also, this should be let's center this to ensure that we're able to see the welcome text. Okay, so I think our launch screen is ready, but before that, let me see why it's loading, why this is showing error here. Let me check our welcome fine. Yeah, everything looks fine. So another thing we are going to do in our app.json file, so let's ensure that our icon displays. This is our app icon that's going to appear before we open our app. So there will be a link in the description to the GitHub repo, so you can clone this repository and also use the images that I'm using now. So I will change the background color to blue. So our app is ready, and I think we're ready to test now. But before we test, let me take you through the Expo documentation. So the best way to test our application is to do a preview build or build for production, but it's not always advisable to test our splash screen on development build. So because on development build, Expo is going to render this. It's going to render the app icon instead of this. So it's going to render the app icon. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to build for preview. So we use this command for preview so that we can test our splash screen. So this is going to take probably 2-5 minutes. So I'm going to run it now. Okay, so our app has finished building. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to install the app on my phone. Please make sure you use your read device. So I'm going to scan with my Go app. Dynamic I will install. Okay, so we continue from here in our next tutorial. Please kindly subscribe. Thank you.